Make mochi wraps for Daifuku ice cream. There are 3 ingredients: 50 grams shiratama flour, 100 grams sugar, and 100 grams water. Tools: heat-proof bowl, a square bat. On top of this, to prevent the mochi wraps from sticking, a powder is placed on top. This powder is cornstarch. And a heat-proof tool for mixing. The microwave oven is used for heating. Plastic wraps is also used. How to make it? First, put all the flour in a bowl. Next, add water a little at a time. This time, divide the mixture into 4 portions. Add the water little by little so that it's blended in. If you put all the water in the bowl at once, the flour will become lumpy. And next, and third time, this is the last time. The powder has been nicely dissolved in the water and has become silky and smooth. Next, add the sugar into the bowl. You can add the entire amount of sugar at once. In this time, I used brown sugar. Therefore, the mochi wrap will be a little brown. The sugar has dissolved. Place the bowl in the microwave oven. 600 watts, 2 minutes. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. 2 minutes has passed. Stir the mixture to make it even. Cover with plastic wrap one more time. This time at 600 watts for 1 minute. 1 minute has passed. I need to heat a little more. How much more do we need to heat? We cook until the shiratama powder is no longer whitish and the whole one is transparent. If the mochi sticks to the spatula, dip the spatula in water and use it. Microwave again for 1 minute. It's okay. See how transparent and shiny it becomes. Stretch it out on a bat. This is very hot. While it is hot, spread it out a little at a time, dipping the spatula in water to prevent it from tearing. This is how much the mochi wrap has spreaded. Allow it to cool for about 30 minutes. It's now at room temperature. Divide into 8 equal portions. Put ice cream on top of this wrap. Yes, the mochi ice cream is ready. This mochi wrap can be frozen by sealing it with plastic wrap. After thawing, it can be used as a soft mochi wrap. Please try making it. That's all.